வணக்கம் அண்ட் வெல்கம் பேக் டு ஜப்ஸ் ஃபார் யூ தமிழ். இன்னைக்கான வீடியோவில் என்ன பார்க்க போகிறோன்னா, ஏடிசி நியூஸ் கம்பெனி எம்டி பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அஃபிஷியலாக ஒரு அப்டேட் கொடுத்துருக்காரு. அந்த அப்டேட்டில் ரொம்பவே முக்கியமாக நம்ம கவனிக்க வேண்டியது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ரீஃபண்ட் பாலிசி எங்கள் சைட்லேருந்து நாங்கள் தரமாட்டோம்னு சொல்லிட்டு இன்டெரக்டாக சொல்லியிருக்காரு. இந்த வீடியோவை நீங்கள் முழுமையாக பாருங்கள், ஸோ உங்களுக்கே புரியும். நீங்களும் நம்ம சேனலுக்கு சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணலன்னா இந்த வீடியோ கீழே தெரிகிற ரெட் கலர் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பட்டனை கிளிக் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. கிளிக் பண்ணோன்னே பக்கத்தில் பெல் ஐக்கான் ஷோ ஆகும். ஜஸ்ட் கிளிக் பண்ணிங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு 3 ஆப்ஷன்ஸ் அப்பேர் ஆகும். ஜஸ்ட் அதில் ஃபஸ்ட் ஆப்ஷன் ஆல் கிளிக் பண்ணிட்டா போதும். நம்ம சேனலில் போடுற ஒவ்வொரு வீடியோ அப்டேட்ஸும் உங்களுக்கு வந்து சேரும். வாங்க வீடியோக்குள்ளே போகலாம்.
Very important news to all ADC subscribers and promoters and franchisees. I thank you all for your cooperation all these days, and I expect you to cooperate in the same way in the near future. As you all know, because of the lockdown and COVID and several reasons, we are not able to do business as big as we were doing earlier. The main reason is that in network marketing, physical meetings conducting with 300, 400, 500 people is very important, and there the business conversion is very fast. And since the meetings have been banned, we are not able to conduct such large meetings and promote the business as earlier. And that is the reason why there is a drastic fall in our business. In light of all the new facts of lockdown and all, and the business which has been fallen down, and people putting multiple IDs and doing investment activity instead of network marketing, we have done a plan correction, and which you can get the details through your upline, where it is a subscriber binary, and if you promote this as a proper subscriber binary, you will be getting bank withdrawal of up to 60,000 rupees per month on a single PAN card. So I request all of you to study the new business plan and promote this business. And as you know, there are few people who are ready to do business, and few people who are not interested to do business. So take the advantage of the situation. The people who are doing business requires subscription codes and dollars, and the people who do not want to do business don't require these codes and dollars. They simply require money. Now you people who are working act as a intermediate between both these people, and see that you purchase dollars and codes from the people who are not interested to work on a bargain rate. In the process, you make some retail profit also. And when the codes reach the people who are working, they will start activating the subscriptions, and you can generate binary which you can withdraw in your bank. So we have come out with a very beautiful solution to exhaust all the previous codes and dollars. It depends upon the number of people who are working and the number of people who are not working. But yes, last 1 week we have been seeing that every day about 3,000 to 4,000 new subscriptions are coming, and it's a very, very healthy and positive signal. And if you people are all coming back into action, we can go up to 30 to 40,000 subscription codes per day, and it converts into not no more than 90 days for the old stock to be exhausted. So people who are not interested to do business need not panic because of our new business plan. And instead we ask them or request them to start indulging in the new business. Here you have put in your money to earn profit, not to get back your money. To get back your money, there are so many other ways to park your money in banks or post office or other things. But you have come here to earn some profit out of it. Keeping the same spirit, what I request you to start working in this new concept. Forget about what has happened, because lockdown has changed the scenario of not only ADC business, the change of our country and the world at large. So post lockdown, there will be a lot of changes. Even till today, there people are worried about the increasing number of COVID cases. In spite of that, we have fully opened our office only to serve you people, and we are taking extra precaution that so our people are not getting contacted with the COVID virus. taking all precautions, taking that risk only to support you people. And not last but the final request what I would see is that please come out of the negative telegram channels which are in the market. They will rather spoil your brain. It is not going to benefit single rupee. It is out of because some people greed and vested interests, they have created such telegram channels promoting negativity. If they are having any love and faith and respect towards you, let them part with their 1 rupee money also. It is that they are not going to part with their money. They will spread hatred and negativity. This is not going to benefit for anybody. We are not going to run away from the situation. We are rise to the situation, and we are committed that no single person in ADC will lose money. And as you know, we have started this business in entire North India, where our previous plan was not there. Now this plan has taken up in a very good way, and very soon we will see that all the demand for dollars and codes will increase to such a level that the current codes in Tamil Nadu will exhaust. I cannot give a timeline or a deadline, but yes, definitely it will happen, and we will stay here. Maybe let it take for 3 months or 6 months or 1 year. We will see that everybody will get back their hard-earned monies. Nobody is going to run away with their money. And of course, you all know in this plan, the money does not reach the company. It will reach to the people who have got virtual money, which was generated by the system. It is a people-driven business, and not that we have taken all the money into our bank accounts. It has been going spreading in all places, and it is a very foolish act to find out whom the money has reached and how it has to come back. It is next to impossible. Anything, once the money goes out, we have to get back in the form of earning and not in the form of refund. So earning is the only solution. If you are working, you can earn. If you are not working, you get in touch with a person who is working and see that your codes and code dollars are liquidated. All the best, and wait till my next audio. And the next payout will be on 11th of this month. 10th we will do the cutoff, and 11th you will be getting the payout, followed by 26th. 25th will be cutoff. 26th you will get the payout. So I hope everybody will start getting healthy payouts and into their banks, and we shall once again create a sense of world's healthiest MLM network, that is called ADC News. Thank you everybody.
கம்பெனி எம்டி என்ன சொல்ல வர்றாருன்னு சொல்லிட்டு உங்களுக்கு புரிஞ்சிருக்கும்னு நம்புகிறேன். உங்களோட ஃபீட்பேக்கை மறக்காமல் இந்த வீடியோ கீழே கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள். ப்ளஸ் நம்ம சேனலுக்கு சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணலன்னா சப்ஸ்கிரைப், பக்கத்தில் உள்ள பெல் ஐக்கானை ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. இது போல் லேட்டஸ்ட்டான அப்டேட்ஸ்லாம் அப்டேட் பண்ணுறேன். தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் வாட்சிங் திஸ் வீடியோ.